my name's Norman Drankshaw with the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to show a product we've had for quite a few years, but everyone needs to know how it works. It's a locking gas cap. Locking gas caps are needed when nefarious characters come and want to take your fuel. We don't want that to happen. So we've got a cap that you bring down, put it in tight like I show right there, and turn a quarter turn, pull your key out, cover it up. It's now locked. You know it's locked because it'll spin in any direction but will not come out. When it comes time to open it again, you open up the waterproof keeper, put your key back in, turn the quarter turn. Now it takes a little pressure to get it to undo. Well, let's see how tight I did it. I did it pretty tight. There you go. You can undo it again and now refill your tank. Again, look at all of our great products at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there.